biological method. A good scientist, he must be having an exploring nature, he must be having curiosity towards his surroundings. Define scientific method. Any approach that we use to solve a scientific problem, it is scientific method. And when we employ any approach to solve a biological problem, it's biological method. 6 steps are involved. Okay. First, it is the recognition of biological problem. ठीक, biological problem is a question, ठीक है, that relates to any organism. The question is asked by someone or comes in your mind of a researcher. It's just a question, ठीक है. First is recognition of problem. It starts when the question they start to arise in our minds. Observation. Observations are very important steps in solving a problem. ठीक है. Observations are made with the help of 5 senses. When we try to find answer, we use our 5 senses, and this is the observation. Qualitative observation are based on quality or characteristic. Quantitative observation, they are based on quantity, ठीक है, which are based on measurable value. Quantitative observation based on measurable value. Quantitative observations being measurable are invariable and can be expressed in terms of numbers, ठीक है, and they are more accurate. समझ के. क्वालिटेटिव ऑब्जर्वेशन क्या है? बेस्ड ऑन द क्वालिटी और करेक्टर, ठीक है. But we can qualitative observation cannot be measured, ठीक है. They just explain the quality or character of any organism. Measurable values, they are the quantitative observations. Hypothesis. Hypothesis is a statement that may prove to be answer of the problem under study. Hypothesis is a tentative explanation of the observation that might be true. A hypothesis should have following characteristics. Okay, the basic thing is hypothesis is tentative, which is considered true, might prove wrong at any stage. ठीक. It is a general statement. It should be a tentative idea. It should agree with available observation. It should be testable and potentially falsifiable. Deductions. Deductions are the logical consequences of hypothesis. To draw logics out of the hypothesis is the deduction. Deduction involves if and then. जब आप डिडक्शन लिखेंगे हमेशा आप इफ़ और देन वाले सेंटेंसेस यूज़ करेंगे. ठीक. अच्छा, नेक्स्ट समराइजेशन ऑफ द एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन. It is the most important step of biological method. Experiments are performed to prove hypothesis true or false. ठीक है. Deductions are drawn from the hypothesis and through experimentation biologists learn which hypothesis is correct. ठीक. Summarization of the result. The biologists gather actual quantitative data and through experiments, and the data are arranged into results.